So today I want to cover how to make a rounded edge in Tinkercad. So it is a feature I'm really surprised they haven't come up with, because often when you are modeling you want rounded edges. You don't always want something that is really rigid like a rectangle or a square. So first thing we want to do is take our circle, our cylindrical hole, and you want to add as many sides as possible. So that is going to give us a nice smooth circle that is really going to aid in making our rounded edge. So now take a normal square and we're going to align these to be in the center of each other. We're going to combine those, and now we have essentially just a square with some circles there in the middle. Now what I'm going to do is cut off 3 of the pieces of that little object we just made. So combine these, and now we have something that will create this rounded edge. So you can make the hole, you can multiply this by 4 times, copy and paste, so you got 4 of these for each of the different sides you may want. So for example, sometimes I have worked and I'm making a picture frame, for example. Well, I don't want the picture frame to be a perfect rectangle, so let's say I have something that looks like this, and I want those rounded edges because I don't want something that is so rigid. So you can just bring this over. I think I've got that a little too tall. Let me make that, we'll just do 5. And align that to the edge. Good enough for demo purposes. Over here, you can do the same thing. I'm just going to rotate that 90 degrees. I won't go through every single one of these. You get the picture. Line these up. And then when you combine, you will see that you now have some rounded edges. You can do that for all 4 sides. This is the fastest and easiest method I have found to make rounded edges. So I do hope this helped. It is a little bit more work and a kind of a pain to do, but there is no tool in Tinkercad at this moment that will do that for us automatically. If you found a better, more efficient way, please put in the comments. I would love to learn from you as well. I hope this has helped, and happy printing.